Pakistan is reeling from the effects of persistent flooding. Prime Minister Shebas Sharif says that the country looks like a sea after unprecedented floods covered a third of the nation. The death toll from the disaster has risen to 1,343. Emergency workers are racing to rescue thousands who are still stranded in Pakistan's worst floods in decades. And more than 250,000 people have fled to shelters, representing just a fraction of the millions of others who are in need of help. Many have been forced to seek temporary refuge in makeshift camps and tents. Now, that's where there's a lack of functioning toilets, and that is posing a health hazard as well. And as waters recede, the threat of waterborne infectious diseases spreads. The UN has warned of a rapidly worsening humanitarian situation.
हालिया बारिशों की वजह से हमारे यहाँ दादू डिस्ट्रिक्ट में गैस्ट्रो में डायरिया में और मलेरिया में काफ़ी केसेस ज़्यादा हुए हैं। तकरीबन 150 से ज़्यादा डायरिया के केसेस डेली हम इधर एडमिट करते हैं और तकरीबन 5 से 10 ये मलेरिया के केसेस भी हम रोज़ाना दाखिल करते हैं। जो ये पानी जमा होने की वजह से मलेरिया हुआ है और पानी जमा होने की वजह से ये सफाई ना हुई, उसमें डायरिया में काफ़ी हद तक इजाफा हुआ है।
Meanwhile, water levels at Pakistan's biggest lake, Mancha, burst its banks, inundating hundreds of villages. But officials say that waters are now starting to recede.